So.
How's the pusher? We are the champions.
I got it. Make it up there.
I'm sure that steering wheel ain't gonna grab nothing. What's that big black wire go to? Anything?
Nothing. Back it up, Terry.
They gonna clear? Yeah. Can't hear y'all.
Back at it. We got the, whatever that is, the thing that holds on the bumper taken off so that Cody could pull up further.
Y'all watching up here? Lower it down. Make sure we're not going to hit it. Why? It's not even. Okay. trucks and a distributor up here.
Really?
I can't
It has brakes. Dylan. 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 What'd you say?
I was wrong. That's the only time you'll ever get that on film.
Hook up Dylan's pickup to the dump trailer, which is the whole reason he came out here, so that he might get to go home whenever he gets done helping Cody. You're the one that told her to do it. Putting her to work out here. Keep going. You mean I went to go help Kylie back a trailer and missed the whole thing? I missed the whole thing. Ask her how many times it took her. Huh? Your daughter back a trailer and you did this without me.
Well, hon, I'm trying to get
I think that's the reason we got it done.
Yeah, we can do this.
That's rude.
Where's the bottle
You're fired,
pieces?
Dylan.
2 hours and 4
Dylan,
minutes. That's
finish.
going to be cutting it within.
30 minutes, you about
Yeah, you're not gonna get there.
You don't even need an exhaust, really.
Yeah, I mean,
If worst comes to worst.
Drive it down
Open
without
headers.
it. Yeah. Open headers for the car show.
to get it to the car show.
Yep.
Or at least drive it up on that trailer and we can haul it to the car show and then drive it off. All right, guys, so it's Friday evening. It's about 7 o'clock, and as you can see, the square body is not ready to go to the car show. We've been hitting it pretty hard. I think we've made a lot of progress for a couple of flunkies that don't really know anything about motors or rebuilding cars or trucks, and just, I mean, I can do enough stuff to get by and make something work, but not completely building a truck from the ground up. But all that said, we've been having a good time. But last night about midnight when we quit, me and Clarence were talking, and I asked him what he thought. He's like, I think we might still get there. But then you told me something. Do you remember what you said?
That I just wish the car show was after my birthday, so I'd be the one that was driving her up there.
And when he said that, it really kind of, it's like a light bulb went off. It's like, I'm going to steal that sensation, that feeling, that moment from him if I drove it up there. Not saying that's the reason we're not going to finish it, but as soon as he said that, it was like, getting it to the car show in Gates was not that important. What's more important is finishing it and letting him be the first one to drive it out of this garage, out of this shop. So we're going to call it quits for tonight. We're going to go bird hunting and have a good time. Y'all keep wrenching and keep...
Branches.
There you go.
I can't see the thing. I gotta take my sunglasses off. That's so annoying.
Yeah, polarized.
I know.
Morning, guys. You always start the deal. Are you going to start it or
okay.
not?
Morning, guys. Welcome to our video. It's Bar 7 Ranch, and we are in
Waxahachie, Texas at the C10s in the park. So we didn't make it to our little car show today that we were working on Clance's truck to get ready for it. And a lot of people asked if we were coming to this, and we didn't even know anything about it, but we were like, hey, if we can come up here and look at a bunch of other C10 pickups and stuff, then we'd like to come look at that, because I mean, although Clancy's is a K20, we could get some ideas about stuff and maybe even find some parts that we're needing. So come along with us and maybe we'll have some fun today.
Hopefully we'll show you a lot of cool pickups. We've already seen a bunch and we're not even in it yet. So
Yep.
come along.
Let's go in right here. Pretty loud, ain't it? See that? In the paint job in the white, you see that?
How are you? Putting lights on the cab? Oh, and you have to, you know what you gotta have in it?
What's that? Oh, gun rack?
You gotta have the gun rack. The epic 1990 style gun rack.
80s style.
80 style? Okay.
I like this. We
What?
should maybe try to find us one like this to do.
said would be hard to find.
That'd be about like driving the Rolls Royce right there too. That thing steering wheel's pretty close to the old belly.
Yeah.
You make that an automatic?
This one was probably an automatic. It might have been a 3 on the tree originally, but
These, I would rather have my truck than this truck.
why?
I just like the square body more than
This look.
this look. Yeah. And
Oh,
do they make this bigger?
They made it in a long wheelbase, yes.
I mean, I don't.
Anymore. But I don't know that I'd want to do that. I think I'd rather just shoot it with a coat of clear coat on it.
It's right there.
Moving man.
this is cool. That is a, look at this paint job.
The patina.
That is so cool.
This is a 3/4 ton.
Moving milk.
Moving mill.
Moving milk.
Moving milk. This is a cool paint job.
This probably has that oily stuff on it too.
Also, got a big old air conditioner for that thing, don't it?
That's cool.
Maybe they live in it.
Maybe.
Look at this thing.
Suburban, do you know this is the longest running name on the
Yeah, whatever it is.
Vortex Max?
That thing is
That's
cool.
I want to be on one of your TikToks.
Oh, yeah?
How are you, sir?
Good, I'm Cody.
He is so cool.
What's your name?
Wes.
Wes?
Hey, sir. I'm Julio.
Fancy. This is Erica.
Hey, I'm
America.
Julio.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, we saw
You got a
walking
ride
by.
here?
Oh, the green and white one right there.
The C10 right on the other side of the Suburban?
My wife's grandfather's truck.
That's awesome.
He bought
Show it
it
to
new.
us. He bought it new?
Yeah, we bought it new in '69, December of '69, and then when he passed away. It was sitting in the garage. And her granny's like, "We're gonna get rid of it." She's like, "Nah, we'll keep it." So 2 owners, him and us. So
That's
it's
pretty
just
neat.
A little old beat. You know how it goes.
But that's a cool story that it was her
And
granddad
it's
bought
just,
it.
I explain to people, you know, they're always like, "Hey, what are you gonna do to it?" I'm like, "I'm gonna change oil and keep air in the
Yeah,
tire."
just leave it like it is, huh?
Grandpa had it this way, we have it this way. So it's been fun, man. Love watching the video. Man, I think a couple of bars.
No.
Love it, man.
I wish we could have got it done so we could have brought it down here, but we'll probably be here next year.
Yeah, it's fun out here. This is we came the very first year and there was like 30 or 40 trucks, and then it's just completely grown.
Keeps growing, huh? That's
Yeah.
cool.
I work for the fire department here in town,
Oh, yeah?
and so I just sent the chief an email. He's like, "Hey, let me know about how many people." I was like,
The white one is cool. No, the white one back there.
How are y'all? How are y'all? Who's this one belong to?
That's mine.
It's
Been following
sweet.
y'all's build on TikTok. I'm Dalton.
Erica, nice to meet you.
Cody?
Nice to meet you, Cody.
Erica,
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
Nice to meet you. Hey, that's where you're.
I'm Cody. Nice to meet you.
Wow, we wanted
Y'all
to see you
come
here.
along with
We
that.
weren't gonna
Yeah,
come.
we
and
were hoping
then
to get it finished for
we
the car
didn't
show
end
in
up going
Gainesville
to
this weekend, but we
Gainesville,
didn't
Didn't get it.
didn't get there. So
Thank you.
that's the first build we've ever done. So it's
We all doing good on it.
well, thanks. This one a standard?
It's an automatic. I do have a couple standards.
Yeah. We're trying to figure out where the spring that hooks on to the
Okay.
shifting fork, the clutch fork, hooks back up somewhere. You know, it's about this long.
It's like we were thinking 2019. Yeah, it was gone a couple of years ago. So I've had it back about a year, almost 2 years. Yep.
What do you got under the hood?
Just nothing special.
Yeah, is it your daily driver? You drive it every day or just?
I wish. Yeah, to get them to do something with their drive. They want so much money.
Oh yeah, I mean you drop a lot of
Red
money.
4-door with a Western Hauler bed with the Cummins in it. And
This
then
right here is Clancy's dream
55
truck.
window. I had it all loaded.
So you
with-
like tinkering, huh?
Love it.
Dually, single
Love it.
cab, 4-wheel drive.
This was everything loaded. And we had trailer trouble. The electric over hydraulic brake pump went out on that trailer, so I had no trailer brake. And there was no way I was fixing all of that down here without no